Hello developers! Welcome to the future. Today, we are diving deep into my video. You need to watch this full video to believe it. Let's create something amazing.
Python statistics mode method. In Python, mode is a statistical method used to calculate the mode, central tendency, of the given numeric or nominal data set. In this video, we will discuss the statistics.mode method, including its syntax, parameters, return, value, and examples. What is the mode method? The statistics mode function in Python returns the most frequently occurring value in a dataset. It is used to measure the central tendency of discrete or nominal data. If multiple values have the same highest frequency, the function returns the first one encountered in the dataset. A dataset may have one mode, unimodal, multiple modes, multimodal, or no mode if all values occur only once. Syntax. It has the following syntax. Statistics.mode data. Parameters. The following parameter is used by the mode method. Data. It is a sequence of a list, tuple, or set that contains numeric or string values. Return value. It returns the most common first element from the dataset.
How would you like this video? Let me know in the comments. Drop a like if you enjoyed it, and share this with your friends. Leave a comment about the best part of this video.
Examples. Let's take some examples of the mode method to better understand it. Example 1. Mode with different data types. The following example demonstrates how the mode method works with different types of datasets.
Welcome back. Today we find the mode. We'll use different data types. Let's run the code now. The output shows the most frequent values, fractions, and strings.
Explanation. In this example, we imported the statistics and fractions modules and created 4 datasets. int_dataset, float_dataset, frac_dataset, and str_dataset. We then passed these datasets to the mode method to find the most frequently occurring value in each dataset. Example 2. Mode with negative elements of dataset. The following example demonstrates how the mode method works with negative elements of a dataset.
Welcome back. Let's find the mode. We'll use a dataset containing negative elements. Let's execute this code. The output is -4. The method calculates the most frequent value correctly.
Explanation. In the above example, we imported the statistics module and created a dataset containing negative values. We then passed the dataset to the mode method to find its most frequently occurring value. Example 3. Demonstrating empty dataset error. The following example demonstrates that passing an empty sequence, such as an empty set or a list, to the mode method raises an error.
Welcome back. Let's see what happens. Passing an empty sequence raises an error. Let's demonstrate this with an empty tuple. It raises a no mode for empty data. Empty datasets are not allowed.
Explanation. In the above example, we imported the statistics module and created an empty dataset. When this dataset is passed to the mode method, it raises a statistics error, no mode for empty data. It indicates that an empty dataset is not allowed.
That's all for this video. For complete tutorials in Hindi, visit our channel AI Coder Hindi. Subscribe to get regular updates. Playlists are available there. Don't forget to leave a comment. Drop a like if you enjoyed it, and share this with your friends. Thanks for watching. Want to stay ahead in AI? Then join our WhatsApp channel today, because we stay updated with latest tech. Just click the link below. Want to master the future? Then you need to hit subscribe right now, because we bring you the best AI content, so please like and share this video.